Lecture 2. What is Databricks? Have you ever worked with a huge dataset and thought, this would be easier if I didn't have to switch between 5 different tools? That's the exact problem Databricks set out to solve. Today we're going to learn what Databricks is, not just a textbook definition, but what it actually does, why it's useful, and how it fits into the real world. Whether you're hoping to work in data, tech, business, or research, this one tool can help you do more with less effort. And that's what makes it powerful. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define what Databricks is in simple, clear terms. Understand what makes Databricks different from traditional data tools. Learn why organizations, small and large, are using Databricks today. Explore how students and beginners can benefit from learning it now. What exactly is Databricks? At its core, Databricks is a cloud-based platform that helps you work with data in one place. It combines the best features of several tools. A notebook interface for writing and running code, like Jupyter Notebooks. A data warehouse for storing and accessing large datasets. The power of Apache Spark lets you process data faster than traditional tools. And an environment for collaboration, allowing teams to work together in real time. But the beauty of Databricks is that you don't have to know all of that to start using it. If you have ever written a sentence in Google Docs, you already understand part of the experience. It's interactive, online, and designed to make teamwork easier. So, is it just for experts? Not at all. In fact, Databricks Community Edition was explicitly built for learners like you. It runs in your browser and provides access to all the basic tools without requiring any installation. You can write simple commands, load in a dataset, and watch your code run without having to configure a single server or set up any complex software. Think of it this way. Databricks enables you to transition from I want to analyze this data to actually doing it, without having to jump through hoops. Why is it so popular? There are 3 main reasons companies love Databricks. Speed. Traditional tools can take hours to process large amounts of data. Databricks can do it much faster using Spark under the hood. Scale. It can handle massive datasets from gigabytes to petabytes. But don't worry, we'll start small. Simplicity. Instead of using one tool for coding, another for visualization, and another for storage, Databricks put it all in one place. Let's take a real example. ViacomCBS, a global media company, used Databricks to analyze streaming data from its digital platforms. They were able to identify the types of shows people watched during different times of the day, and even spot trends by region. By centralizing all their data analysis in Databricks, they reduced their time to insight by 60%. That's not just convenient, it's game-changing. How does Databricks help beginners? Here's what makes it especially good for students. You can start small and grow as you learn. It's cloud-based, so there is no need for downloads or expensive hardware. It works with Python and SQL, 2 of the most accessible languages in data science. It teaches you real-world workflows, not just classroom theory. Instead of learning how to use 10 separate tools, Databricks helps you focus on how to think with data. And that's the most valuable skill of all. You have just learned that Databricks is not just another tech platform. It's a practical, accessible way to work with real data. What makes it powerful is not just the technology behind it, but the way it brings everything together. Code, data, and collaboration all in one place. And the best part? You don't have to be a developer or data scientist to start using it. You just have to be willing to explore, test things out, and learn by doing.